Living in a small space? Tired of clutter taking over your apartment? Imagine turning every inch of your home into a super functional, organized, and stylish haven. In this video, we're revealing 15 genius space-saving gadgets from Amazon that will completely transform your tiny apartment. Stay till the end because we've saved the most game-changing gadget for last. Let's dive in. First up, the Alamorden Floating Nightstand with Charging Station. This sleek and modern wall-mounted nightstand saves precious floor space while keeping your essentials within reach. With built-in USB ports and outlets, you can charge your devices conveniently, no more messy cables. Plus, since it's mounted on the wall, it gives a clean and minimalist look to your room. Need extra storage that disappears when you don't? The Origami Foldable Storage Cart is perfect. With sturdy shelves for kitchen supplies, books, or bathroom essentials, this cart folds flat in seconds, making it ideal for tight spaces. It's designed for quick and easy setup, no tools required. Whether you need extra shelving for pantry items or a place to store your art supplies, this cart is a game changer. The wheels make it easy to move around, and the durable design ensures that it can handle significant weight. When not in use, just fold it and slide it under your bed or sofa. Laundromat trips can be a hassle, but this mini washer and spinner combo lets you do laundry right in your tiny apartment. It's compact, easy to use, and saves both space and money. Perfect for small loads, dorms, and RVs. The dual function allows you to wash and spin dry your clothes in one device, cutting down on drying time. Plus, it uses less water and detergent compared to traditional washers, making it an eco-friendly choice. The lightweight design allows you to move it effortlessly, making laundry a breeze even in the smallest apartments. It's not only stylish, but also space-saving and fits right into your cabinet to avoid hassles and can be a great choice for tiny apartments. It's one of the best gadgets on our list. Ironing can be a struggle when you have limited space, but the wall-mounted ironing board changes the game. This smart, space-saving solution is designed to be mounted directly on your wall or inside a closet, providing a sturdy, fold-down ironing surface whenever you need it. One of the biggest advantages of this ironing board is that it folds flat when not in use, meaning no more struggling to store a bulky, traditional board. It's perfect for small apartments, studios, or dorm rooms where every inch of space counts. The design allows it to be securely locked in place, ensuring stability while you press your clothes to perfection. It's not just about saving space, it's about convenience, too. Many models come with a swivel mechanism, allowing you to rotate the board for the most comfortable ironing angle. Some even include built-in storage for your iron and accessories, so everything you need is within arm's reach. The durable material ensures a long-lasting, smooth ironing surface, making this an excellent investment for anyone looking to keep their wardrobe crisp without cluttering their living space. If you are enjoying this video, please consider subscribing to this channel. And let's jump right in. Struggling with messy kitchen drawers? The Pipichelle Bamboo Expandable Drawer Organizer adjusts to fit your space and neatly stores utensils, cutlery, and even office supplies. Stylish, practical, and a must-have. Made from eco-friendly bamboo, it's durable and gives a sophisticated touch to your kitchen. You can expand or shrink it to fit different drawer sizes, making it versatile for use beyond the kitchen. Think craft supplies, bathroom essentials, or office stationery. The compartments help you keep everything in place, ensuring that you never have to rummage through clutter again. Made from eco-friendly bamboo, it's not only strong and long-lasting but also adds a natural, elegant touch to any space. The deep compartments ensure that items don't shift around when you open and close the drawer, and the smooth finish makes it easy to clean. A coffee table that doubles as secret storage? Yes, please. The WLIVE Lift Top Coffee Table has a hidden compartment perfect for stashing away everyday clutter while providing extra workspace. Perfect for working from home. Imagine sitting on your couch, lifting the tabletop to create an ergonomic workstation for your laptop, and then stashing away your work essentials when you're done. Effortless organization at its best. The hidden storage is deep enough to store books, remotes, and other essentials, making it an ideal solution for small living rooms. Built with a sturdy structure, this modern and stylish coffee table seamlessly blends into any small apartment or studio setup. Your bedroom should be a peaceful retreat, not a cluttered mess. That's where the Afuli floating nightstand with charging station comes in. Unlike traditional bulky nightstands that take up valuable floor space, this innovative floating design mounts directly to your wall, keeping your essentials within reach while maintaining a clean, modern aesthetic. One of its standout features is the built-in charging station, which includes USB ports and power outlets. No more fumbling for chargers or dealing with tangled cords. Simply plug in your devices and keep them charged overnight, all while keeping your bedside space tidy. Beyond its charging capabilities, this nightstand offers a spacious drawer to discreetly store personal items like books, glasses, or nighttime essentials. When space is at a premium, every inch counts. The SY-WITA 3-tier plastic rolling utility cart is the ultimate flexible storage solution for small apartments, dorm rooms, or even offices. Its slim and compact design allows it to fit into tight spaces, like between cabinets, next to your fridge, or in your bathroom. The 3-tier structure provides ample storage without taking up much space. Use it in the kitchen for spices, utensils, and small appliances, in the bathroom for toiletries and towels, or in your bedroom for beauty products and accessories. Its rolling design means you can effortlessly move it around as needed, making it a dynamic addition to any small living space. Made of durable, lightweight plastic, it's resistant to water and easy to clean. Laundry is a necessity, but bulky baskets can take up too much space in a small apartment. Enter the collapsible laundry basket, a lightweight, foldable, and space-saving solution designed for compact living. This innovative basket expands to a full-sized container when in use and folds down to just a few inches thick when not needed. You can easily slide it behind a door, under the bed, or in a closet, freeing up valuable floor space. Made from durable, high-quality plastic and silicone, this basket is designed to handle heavy loads while remaining flexible and lightweight. The sturdy handles provide a comfortable grip, making it easy to transport laundry from room to room or to a shared laundry facility. Furniture that serves multiple purposes is key when living in a small space, and the square storage ottoman bench is the perfect example of style meeting functionality. At first glance, it looks like a sleek and modern seating option, but lift the top, and you'll reveal a hidden storage compartment that can hold anything from blankets and pillows to books, shoes, or even workout equipment. One of the biggest advantages of this storage ottoman is its compact and versatile design. Use it as extra seating when you have guests over, as a comfortable footrest while you relax, or even as a coffee table by placing a tray on top. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, while the padded cushion provides a comfortable place to sit. In a small kitchen, counter space is precious. Bulky knife blocks can take up too much room, making your workspace feel cluttered. That's where the magnetic knife holder comes in, a space-saving and stylish way to store your knives while keeping them easily accessible. This wall-mounted strip features a powerful magnetic surface that securely holds knives, scissors, and other metal kitchen tools, eliminating the need for bulky drawers or blocks. It helps you keep your countertops clean and provides a safer alternative to digging through a messy drawer. Installation is simple. Mount it on your kitchen wall or backsplash for instant organization. Not only does it free up space, but it also keeps your knives sharper for longer by preventing unnecessary friction against other utensils. Plus, it adds a modern, professional look to your kitchen setup. Bicycles are great for commuting and exercise, but storing them in a small apartment can be a challenge. The DIRZA bike wall mount offers a space-saving solution by allowing you to hang your bike vertically against the wall, keeping it off the floor and out of the way. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability, while the rubber-coated hook protects your bike's frame from scratches. Installation is quick and easy, and it works for most bike types, whether it's a road bike, mountain bike, or hybrid. This is a game-changer for cyclists living in tight spaces. This innovative wall mount allows you to store your bike vertically, keeping it neatly off the floor and maximizing your limited space. Its durable, heavy-duty steel construction ensures it can handle the weight of any bike, from road bikes to mountain bikes, and everything in between. Ever noticed that awkward gap between your fridge and the wall? Or that tiny space next to your washing machine? The COVAODQ Slim Storage Cart is designed to fit into those overlooked spaces, providing 4 tiers of extra storage without taking up much room. It's perfect for organizing pantry staples, spices, bathroom toiletries, cleaning supplies, or even office materials. With smooth rolling wheels and a sturdy handle, you can easily slide it in and out whenever needed. This is the ultimate solution for making the most of narrow gaps in your home. Traditional drying racks can take up a lot of space, but the wall-mounted drying rack is a game-changer for small apartments. It extends outward when in use and folds back against the wall when you're done, making it ideal for drying clothes, towels, or even delicate laundry items. Its sturdy build can handle multiple garments at once, and it's perfect for balconies, laundry rooms, or even inside the bathroom. No more sacrificing valuable floor space. This drying rack is efficient, sleek, and space-saving. This rack isn't just for laundry rooms, it's perfect for balconies, bathrooms, or even in tight corners where you need a functional yet discreet drying solution. When floor space is limited, the best way to add storage is to go vertical. These large floating shelves are perfect for keeping books, decorations, kitchen items, or bathroom essentials organized without taking up any floor space. Made from durable materials, they can hold a surprising amount of weight while adding a modern, stylish touch to any room. Whether you're setting up a mini-home library, displaying collectibles, or just organizing everyday essentials, these shelves make storage functional and decorative at the same time. And there you have it. 15 amazing space-saving gadgets that can completely transform your tiny apartment. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more life-changing home hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.